All right, guys, so today's video is about why disk flash drive not working. In case you have your why disk flash drive and you are trying to use it with your iPhone and it is not working, in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. So the first thing to do is to know how to use your why disk flash drive. Download the why disk flash drive app, which is this, from your Apple App Store to get started. Now I have my why disk flash drive app here, so I'm going to insert it on my iPhone. So it's expected of this flash drive to bring this pop-up message, that is this prompt message: why disk would like to communicate with your iOS device flash drive. So you select allow and it's going to load up your files and audio and photos of your iPhone. So if yours is not working at all, this is what you have to do. I would suggest you format it using your laptop. Okay, so because I have some info here, I can't use this. I have a new one here which I'm going to use to show you how to format it if you have a MacBook, or if you have someone that has a MacBook and can help you with that. So I'm going to use this new one. Okay, so you have to put it into your MacBook. So let's insert the why disk into our MacBook. Okay, so when you insert it, you are going to see something like this that says untitled file. Okay, you are going to see it up here. So the next thing to do here is to go to application. So let's go to application. I'm going to go to my application here and I'm going to go to my utility. So when you go to utility, come down to disk utility. Okay, now when you go to disk utility, as you can see, it's showing me my Mac HD, and here at the external, just come to the external here, select that. Okay, it's going to show you the disk 2x1, which is USB external. As you can see, the format it is, this is MSDOS FAT32. This is the recommended format file that the flash drive should come in. Okay, if you're having something different from this, then you have to format it. How do you do that? You come to the erase option here, select the erase option, and you are going to see erase disk 2s1. Okay, and come to this format here, select it. Because mine is already at the FAT32 format, it's going to show that it's at FAT32 format. So you come down and select FAT32 format. Okay, and you select erase. When you select erase, it's going to format your why disk flash drive to FAT32, and when you start using it, it's going to work for you. Okay, so that is how to format it. Unplug it, come here, unplug, then unplug it physical on your Mac, and let's try it on our iPhone and see if it's going to work. I have the old one here. So as you can see, our why disk is up. So I'm going to select it, confirm, and go to my USB. Okay, it says USB is not inserted. Let me unplug it, turn it over and plug it in again. So I'm going to close this app. Okay, allow, confirm, go to my USB option here. As you can see, no photo here, no video, no music, and no document, because it is a new one. And if you format it, you should have something similar to this. It's going to erase everything and you can now start using it, and it's going to work well with your iPhone. Make sure it is at FAT32, and that is how to make your why disk that is not working to start working well. If you have any issue or question, please drop it down there in the comment section and I'll reply you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Peace.